This is an installation artwork. It's not the kind of art we're used to. It surrounds us, engages multiple senses, and often demands participation. Unlike paintings or sculptures, installation art isn't always easy to interpret. It can be confusing, even overwhelming. But that's precisely the point. It invites us to wonder, to play, to be curious. Let me take you through some of my favorite installation artworks in this latest exhibition on Olafur Eliasson, an amazing global artist held at the Singapore Art Museum. Together, we'll decode what is installation art and what makes it so powerful. At its core, installation art relies on four key elements: the art object, the medium that activates the installation; the space, the environment the artwork inhabits; the viewer, you the participant; time, the duration it takes to experience and interpret the work. Let's start with the first one, the art object. In Beauty, one of Eliasson's most iconic works, the art objects are simple: a hose sprinkler dispersing water into a dark room, illuminated by a single beam of light. Water and light, elements we know. Yet, they take on new meaning, which we will find out soon enough. The second element is space. A darkened enclosed room transforms how we perceive these familiar materials. The space is part of the artwork, shaping our movement, our perception, and even our emotions. The third element is us, the viewers. This is where installation art differs from traditional mediums. Without a viewer, beauty is just water and light in a room. But as you walk through, your presence activates the piece. You move, you shift, and suddenly a rainbow appears. Or doesn't. It depends on where you stand, how you engage. Finally, the fourth element, time. Time allows the experience to unfold. The water falls, the light refracts, and only when you find the right position does the rainbow emerge. Unlike a painting, where beauty is fixed, the beauty of this installation exists only when you, the viewer, discover it. The meaning unfolds as the viewer engages with the space and the art object over time. So, what could this all mean? To me, Eliasson is trying to share that beauty doesn't just exist. We must seek it, be present, take action. This idea extends beyond art. If we don't take action to protect our world, beauty, like the rainbow, may just disappear. Let's step into another of Eliasson's works, Multiple Shadow House. 1. The art object, monochrome lights and a projection screen. 2. The space, a simple, open area between the lights and the screen. 3. The viewer. You enter, and suddenly, your shadow splits into multiple colors. Others join, and their shadows mix with yours. You move, they move. It becomes a dance of silhouettes. 4. Time. Over time, you begin to play. You notice how different lights cast different hues. You start to experiment. And that's the power of installation art. It doesn't tell you what to think. Instead, it invites you to engage, to explore, to reflect. Perhaps it's about perception, how we only notice light when we see its effect on us. Maybe it's about connection, how our actions influence others. Or maybe it's just about joy. How about you? What do you think it means? Many of Eliasson's installations encourage playful interaction. But our final stop, symbiotic seeing, transports us into an ethereal, unfamiliar world. Sometimes, it's best to set aside analysis and simply immerse ourselves. To be present. To trust our senses and let the experience guide us. The art objects here are bursts of fog, released at different moments and locations in the space. As they drift, they intersect with laser lights above the viewers' heads, forming swirling, organic green clouds. The vastness of the space creates a sublime, almost cosmic environment, both overwhelming and meditative. It's an invitation to wander and wonder. What could this work be about? The four elements of installation art might offer clues, but ultimately, our interpretations are shaped by personal experience. Someone who lives near the ocean might see it as an inverted mass of water, appreciating the vastness and mystery of nature. Someone from a polluted city might focus on the fog's density and smell, prompting reflection on environmental degradation. Someone from a crowded, high-rise metropolis like Singapore might simply revel in the open space, finding solace in the quiet, hypnotic movement above them. That's the beauty of installation art. It allows for multiple perspectives. It doesn't give us answers, it sparks questions. It invites conversations, challenges perceptions, and encourages us to reshape the world around us. And in today's world, curiosity, open-mindedness, and dialogue are more important than ever. If you like to learn more about art in this manner, do check out our channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this curious journey. Take care.